Hi guys, it's Stevie from Planner Cookie Mama. Today I am going to be decorating the monthly spread in my college planner, and I'm going to be using this printable kit from Miss Printable Studio. So this is one for August. So it's got hot air balloons and it's got summer and there's bikes, and I like this sticker that says start today, so I can pop that on the date where I'm actually going to put that on the date where my daughter starts school, just because that's a little bit more important to me than me starting college. But I am going to go ahead now and cut this up, and I shall be back shortly to start decorating. Okay, so I've cut all of the pieces that I'm going to be using. Now this is my college planner. There is another video posted, I will link in the description below, about this planner. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pull out the pages to plan. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is pop down these month covers at the top here. Printables are actually very slightly, as you can see, about 2mm, if that, wider than a normal Erin Condren. So this is actually making these strips at the top a tiny little bit short, but it doesn't matter because it'll still look fine. It starts on a Thursday. So I have a washi strip to cover up the Monday to Wednesday. Now I'm not going to pop down the date covers, because I like writing them in or putting in my own number stickers rather than using the ones that came with the kit. So first thing I am going to do is pop down this start today sticker, and then cover up this notes section. Just trying to work out how many of these I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so what I was going to do, instead of using washi to mark down when my daughter's with her dad, I was actually just going to use these to cover up the days. So I know she's with her dad on the 6th. I will use a washi strip though, because she is with him for this entire week. But in the meantime, I'm just going to use these. So she's with him Tuesday the 6th. At the moment, I don't actually know when I start college. I know that it's this week, but that is actually as much as I know. So I'm just going to go ahead and write in the numbers. Put this on the wrong day. So Wednesday they go back to school. I was thinking it was a Thursday, but it's not. Bin. It's due that day. Purple bin on that day. We have a ridiculous amount of bins, we really do. Green bin is due that day. Brown bin is due that day. And the grey bin goes out every Saturday. I don't actually normally mark these because I know it goes out every Saturday, but I just kind of want rid of these stickers now. There's no point in me having them because it is a weekly event that I know happens at the same time every week. So I'm just going to pop that one over there. I know it's not in the same line, but I don't want to cover up any of the bike. Okay, and then so I need to, I'm going to actually have to buy school shoes earlier than I originally intended. So I'm just going to pop that in the notes. And then on the 10th I have a party. It's an anniversary party. Actually, this is me done. I'm going to go ahead now and pop this back into the planner. Excuse me. I've also just realised that I have put that balloon sticker on upside down, so I'm going to have to fix that. So guys, as always, thank you so much for watching this video. I will leave a link in the description down below to the printable kit that I used, as well as the printable inserts I used. As always, I will also leave links in my description to my Instagram. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I would love it if you would consider subscribing, as well as subscribing to my Instagram my Instagram page. And as always guys, happy planning. Bye!